Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm a PJ Masks official blogger, and I'm here to show you some of the things that are out there for your little hero who is just super excited to start the new school year. Now I know on the East Coast, like myself, we still have several weeks, but some of you in the southern states are heading back and some of you have already started back. So I guess it's a timely video. So I'm going to show you a few things that I was sent as a PJ Masks official blogger and things that you can find out there in the stores near you. Okay, so in this pack, we have the sticker activity kit, and it's by Design Wear. If we open it up, we have 4 mini markers and stickers. We have 1, 2, 3 sets of stickers, and then we have coloring pages in here. So this is great for travel or to have in restaurants and things, and there's different PJ Masks characters, and then you can just take them out. So that's a nice little, wouldn't exactly call that back to school, but I would call that, it's a great for travel. Excellent for travel. Anybody still going on summer trips, and we are, this is great to have waiting in restaurants or in the car. Okay, and that again is the sticker activity kit. All right, so now here we have a set, a stationery set. And I'll show you what's in there. This has a 6-inch ruler decorated with the PJ Masks characters. You get 3 markers, red, blue, and green. And you get a little memo pad. It's unlined so they can draw in that. So that's in that little packet. And then, let's see what we have here. This is a cupcake decorating kit. So this has 24 coins, 3 styles to collect, 2 keepsake bottles of sprinkles, and let's see what else is in here. Let me see if it's sealed right here. Hang on. So these are great for baking cupcakes to celebrate your little one going into school or right before the end of summer. Well, end of summer is not something to celebrate for me, but maybe coming home on the first day, so having a great day is good. So what you get in here are your cupcake liners, your To Be a Hero cupcake liners, and then you have these coins to put on top, and then you have 2 bottles of sprinkles right there. So that's your cupcake kit. Now, they've also sent along what I would call a junior size backpack. It's got the guys kind of squishy here, or a lunch bag. It's good for the preschool set size. And this is PJ Masks backpack by Accessory Innovations, and so we've got that. And last but not least, they've sent along a really cool t-shirt. It says "Let's Go Heroes," and that is in a size 7 that they sent to me, which is perfect for my son. And this is from Kohl's, and it retails for $14 retail price. We all know Kohl's has great deals, right? So there we have a nice t-shirt. It's very nice with even this banding in the back, and it's made of 60 cotton and 40 polyester. A nice kind of a charcoal gray color. So that's nice. So you can find all this stuff out in Kohl's, or I don't know where. I'll see what I can include links to where the other stuff is available. Used to be Toys R Us, but we know Toys R Us is gone forever. Anyway, I hope that you like this, and don't forget to enter our giveaways. We have great giveaways. We have a great giveaway running on the blog now for Dog Days, $50 Fandango card, and some other accessories for the Dog Days movie, and all kinds of things. So check it out. But there you go. Get these papers out of the way. So you've got the little junior backpack, the t-shirt, the cupcake decorating kit, this little stationery set, and then the sticker activity kit, which is great for travel, I think. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.